Hey everyone, I'm Dyrans and welcome back to Gadget Klick's YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the leaked features of the Nothing Phone 2. This phone is still in development, so these are just rumors, but they're definitely worth talking about. We're less than 2 weeks away from the debut of the Nothing Phone 2, which is set to take place on July 11, and the teasers keep on coming. The latest ones show snippets of the upcoming Nothing Phone 2's front and back design, which confirm a familiar look but with slight changes. Processor. One of the biggest upgrades that the Nothing Phone 2 is rumored to get is the processor. It's expected to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is a significant upgrade over the Snapdragon 778G Plus chip used in the Nothing Phone 1. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is a 5nm chip that is built on the ARM v9 architecture. It has a maximum clock speed of 3.2 GHz and is said to offer a 10% performance improvement over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Display. The Nothing Phone 2 is rumored to have a 6.55-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This would be the same size and refresh rate as the display on the Nothing Phone 1. The display is also rumored to support HDR10 Plus and DCI-P3 color gamuts. The front brings a centered punch hole cutout and what appear to be uniform bezels on the top and sides of the display. Based on rumors, Nothing Phone 2 will be equipped with a 6.7-inch AMOLED with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, RAM, and storage. The Nothing Phone 2 is expected to come with 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. This is the same amount of RAM and storage as the Nothing Phone 1. But the Nothing Phone 2 is rumored to support expandable storage via a microSD card slot. Camera. The dual-camera rear system on the Nothing Phone 2 is rumored to consist of a 5050-megapixel main sensor with OI and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The front-facing camera is rumored to be a 16-megapixel sensor. This would be a slight upgrade over the 50-megapixel main sensor and 16 ultra-wide sensor on the Nothing Phone 1. Battery. The 4,700 mAh battery on the Nothing Phone 2 is expected to support fast charging up to 67 watts. It is also rumored to support wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. This would be a slight increase over the 4,500 mAh battery on the Nothing Phone 1. Software. The Nothing Phone 2 is expected to run Nothing is 2.0, which is based on Android 13. Nothing is a custom operating system that is designed to be lightweight and fast. It also features a unique design language that is inspired by the Nothing brand. Importantly, the company got its software division up and running and now develops Nothing OS in-house. Version 2 of the custom UI is in the works and POs full well the benefit of extended software support, something that gave a fledgling OnePlus an edge. To that end, the Phone 2 will receive 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches. Moving around to the back, we can see the Nothing Phone 2 will keep the basic design of its predecessor with exposed clear plastic bits and the signature glyph interface of LEDs for notifications. The Nothing Phone 2 aluminum sides are expected to be slightly curved instead of flat, as shown in the new teaser. The company has worked to make the Nothing Phone 2 design more eco-friendly than its predecessor. The new design also uses more recycled materials. The mid-frame is entirely made out of recycled aluminum. Charging cable. The most recent reveal is the design for the new charging cable that will be included with the Nothing Phone 2. A cable that now has the same transparent, on-white aesthetic that is becoming Nothing's calling card hard. Marketing is a huge expense, but very much vital for a relatively unknown brand. And lucky for Nothing, Carl P is a master of it. Price. The Nothing Phone 2 is rumored to start at $399. Which would be a slight increase over the starting price of $349 for the Nothing Phone 1. However, it is possible that the final price of the Nothing Phone 2 could be higher or lower than this, depending on the final specifications of the phone. So, those are the leaked features of the Nothing Phone 2. It's still too early to say for sure what the final specifications of the phone will be, but these leaks are definitely exciting. I'll be sure to keep you updated on all the latest news about the Nothing Phone 2 as it becomes available. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and share this video. Thanks for watching.